Hi everyone, I am Nikita and welcome to another episode of Real Moms Talk. If you're new here, hey, we're so glad you found us. And if you've been hanging out with us already, welcome back. Today's episode is one of our favorite formats. We're reacting to some parenting reels that have been doing the rounds online. Now, we all love a good laugh, but sometimes these short clips can spark some very real conversations about how we parent, how we were parented, and what's changing in today's generation. So, today we are taking a look at a few reels. Some relatable, some hilarious, and some that made us go, what? And of course, there's no shortage of tangents in real talk as we unpack it all, and we can't wait for you to listen in on this one. Don't forget to let us know what you thought by leaving a comment. You can do that on Spotify as well as YouTube. Today, I am joined by three moms who are a part of our admin team. Let me introduce you to them. First up, a mandala maker and soul shaker who blooms where the plants breathe. The mother of a wild hearted girl and a gentle fur baby. A believer of stars, signs, and stories untold, who creates art from her soul, lives with love, and walks with fire in her spirit.
That is just sibling things, no?
This is Archita. Next up, an Enthu cutlet with a desi heart, traveling the world and forever ready for her next adventure. She's a friend to all and a parent to one. With coffee in her veins and books by her side, she has an opinion on everything and isn't afraid to share it.
First cup of coffee, I want uninterrupted. Nobody should wake up before me.
This is Nupur. Joining us next, a phonics pro, college lecturer, social media strategist, and ever smiling multitasker. She teaches with heart, builds with purpose, and shows up with spark.
कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि बच्चे को भी कोई और पिकअप कर ले.
This is Shabina. And finally, juggler of things, lover of chaos but craver of calm, with her mind running at a million thoughts per minute and coffee as her not so secret weapon, your host and resident overthinker, yours truly, Nikita. And this is Real Mom's Talk. So grab your chai nashta and let's get started. Hello everyone. Today we are reacting to some parenting stuff on Instagram. Have you seen the recent we listen, we don't judge trend?
Mhm.
Okay. So this is
Yes.
basically a group of people who are sharing something, but the group says we listen, we don't judge. So everyone, one by one, says something. It's more like a confession, but you are not supposed to judge them for this confession.
We are allowed to judge, right?
You wouldn't want to, but you laugh. So
Okay.
We listen, we don't judge. Sometimes when you guys want to go to the park, I pretend like I'm working and busy so I don't have to take you guys.
That's why we haven't been to the
We
park.
listen,
We haven't been to the
we
park in 2
listen,
months.
we listen and don't judge.
Yesterday, I found Nini's bracelet on the floor. I picked it up and I wore it, and I still have it on me. Some of these things you've been saying is really cool.
What? It's. We don't judge.
What other stuff are you hiding from us?
Whoa, hey, this is a safe zone. All right, this is a safe zone. Sometimes when Nia's sleeping in our bed and she's under the blankets and she's dead asleep, I fart. We listen, we don't judge. We don't judge, mate. We don't judge.
So one time, I bummed the toilet. And Mommy came in, and I blamed it on Daddy. We listen,
We listen,
and
we don't judge.
You know, I'm really disappointed in you. Go Dad, go Dad.
One time there was an invitation for a birthday party that Mimi had to go to, and she didn't see it, and I threw it in the bin.
What?
We listen,
We don't.
we don't judge.
Listen.
We don't.
We fight our father. Why would you do that?
tell me, what can you tell me about this family dynamic?
They're all very funny.
It
But
is, it is.
how convenient, na? Kuch bhi karke and then say, no, don't judge me. And then use
I
it.
think except for the throwing the birthday invitation away, I think all the others are fairly okay. I mean, the
Well,
farting on purpose, I don't,
that's
I
fine.
don't know.
But like not taking them to the park and then just saying
Yeah,
that
है ना?
they're pregnant and it's mean.
No, but okay, there are three children in this. Okay, can you guess who the eldest child is?
Oh, clearly. The
Who
one
is it?
sitting in the
I
front.
think the one behind, I think.
No, no,
The one
no.
in
The
black.
one sitting in the front seat.
The
She
guy
is
sitting in front in
clearly
blue
the.
was like,
Okay.
no, we fight with dad. We are
We
not
fight our
listening
dad. At one
anymore.
point, she was like, no, we don't listen and don't judge. We fight our dad. Because I think as an older child, I know that I paved the way for a lot of things that my sister didn't have to fight for later on in life. So that dynamic is very clearly obvious here that she is fighting with her dad on behalf of the
Of
entire
everyone. Yeah.
sisterhood in her house. And that is really fun. So, do we want to read the comments? We don't listen, we fight our father. This sounds like the job description of firstborn
That's
daughter.
not.
A lot of judging happened in this video. Did we judge? Yeah, I think for the birthday
Yeah,
invite
kind
and
of. We
the.
did.
Yes. But I'll tell you one thing, ये जो birthday
Huh.
invite वाला I have done like where my son doesn't know that person very well or
Mm-hmm.
मतलब because they are in a group we get invite so I also like
Mm.
ठीक है ignore मतलब ठीक है नहीं जाना है यार मतलब maybe I was busy also on that day so I didn't told him.
Yeah, and as a parent of three children, imagine the number of birthday invites they might be getting and driving the children to and from birthday parties. Like, I mean, it's something you sign up for when you decide to have three kids. But yeah, I can imagine it might get, yeah, is bar, let's skip this type thingy. What did you judge them the most for, Archita? Which confession did you judge them the hardest for?
Probably the
The
park
kids?
wala.
Okay, the dad. Nobody's
Yeah.
judging the kids for taking each other's bracelets and pooping in the bathroom and blaming it on the dad.
They're so cute. Yeah. It's difficult to judge these cute little things for nonsense things that they're doing. They're like, क्या फर्क पड़ता है ब्रेसलेट अब निकाल के दे देगी
अब
वापस.
वो बहन का नहीं लिया ना उसने.
But I think that is just sibling things, no? Like
Hmm,
what they did.
Yeah. I
true.
think that's what it is. Like you have a little always there's a little bit of tension between siblings. Like it
Hmm,
cannot be like love, love, love all the time. And I think
hmm,
bachpan mein to all the more. There's more rivalry rather than
absolutely. Rivalry,
understanding.
physical fighting also in bachpan. No inhibitions at all. दांत तोड़ो, हाथ तोड़ो, कुछ भी करो. Not literally, obviously, but yeah. But I think this we listen, we don't judge. I think, and because the dad went first, it got the children to open up because, and he held it. Matlab he stayed strong on the no judgment part. So at least I think that gave the children a platform to say things. I don't think anyone would have, either of them would have confessed stealing somebody's things or whatever they confessed to. If it's a good way ना लोगों से चीजें उगलवाने के लिए. Oh,
Yeah,
Matlab,
actually.
initially, yes, but how do you not judge? I mean, honestly, these are not massive things, right?
so maybe you don't judge in the moment.
Then,
You take
yeah.
time to process it and then address it in a much more nicer way than you would have compared to the way you would have done it immediately. Maybe I think that is the uh, learning from this.
I think one more thing which he did, the dad, is that he also explains a little bit, right? Like when I went, I don't take you to the park because I'm tired or something, right?
Sometimes, and he said
हाँ.
sometimes, it's not
Sometimes, not
always.
always.
Yeah, yeah,
So it's also don't judge me, understand where I'm coming from. I think
correct,
that's the idea, right?
correct.
It's not just I'm doing all these horrible things, don't judge me. It's I'm doing things, but I have a reason for it. So listen and hear me out.
And on the list of horrible things that parents can do to children, I think skipping the park once or twice is very low on the list. Like the horrible thing here is that he lied why he can't go. Okay, but
Yeah.
yeah, the way everyone snapped their neck to see if sis was
She's
wearing the
wearing
bracelet.
that's cute.
Every month I go out to eat by myself and don't say nothing to the wife and kids. Um, why not the wife though? You can tell your partner, right, that you're going out alone. What's wrong in that?
Maybe wife will say, why you didn't take me?
Or wife will say, I
Oh,
also want to go and you manage the kids.
हाँ. Maybe his wife doesn't understand the me time.
maybe wife doesn't get the me time. Does so? This depends. Does wife get me time or does only he get me time?
हाँ. Maybe or maybe she doesn't understand like husband also needs some me time. हम
Hmm.
बोलते हैं ना as a mom we need our me time.
But hey, we listen. We don't judge.
Yes. And I feel it
Hmm.
sometimes it happens like maybe as a mother, mostly they are spending time with their kids and they are staying at home
Hmm.
and men are working outside. So
Correct.
they feel करके कि men's का तो me time हो गया, but now I also wanted to go out or I also wanted to go for a coffee. Why he didn't took me
So now
outside?
इसमें हमको बैक स्टोरी नहीं पता. We don't know what their
हाँ,
everyday life is like. He's just saying
yes.
that he goes out once a month, which I don't think is such a bad thing.
Not that
Yeah,
bad.
Yeah,
it's
and
okay.
उसने सेफ साइड पे हैशटैग भी डाल दिया वहाँ पे कि we listen we don't judge.
क्योंकि उसको पता था जजमेंट मिलेगा किसी ना किसी से तो. Bruh, it's necessary. Every chance I get for a $30 meal, I'm on it. What? You get me. Okay, ठीक है. He's got
Oh,
support from other men.
he means that $30 means a single person meal versus
Yeah,
four,
yeah.
5 people eating out is a much bigger expense.
Hmm. Hi, just popping in for a quick reminder. If you're enjoying this episode, we'd love it if you could tap follow and rate us wherever you're listening to this podcast. If you're watching on YouTube, hit that like button and subscribe so YouTube gets the message. And of course, if you have an extra moment, do share this with a mom who'd also enjoy listening to this. Alright, back to the episode. So, next is a reel that is supposed to be funny, but let's see.
बेटा एक गिलास पानी पिलाइयो पहले गोलगप्पे ऑर्डर कर दूं हाँ कर दे टिक्की भी खाओगे हाँ और बल्ले पापड़ी हाँ बस से कर मेरे मुंह में पानी आ गया ना मुंह में पानी पी लो फटाफट
Yeah, I have seen this already, obviously. So, my reactions, I don't know. Yeah.
यार सबसे पहले तो मेरे मुंह में पानी आ गया because they said गोलगप्पे.
वो तो है. मैंने तो खाए भी नहीं है. कितने ऑलमोस्ट 2 साल होने आए मैंने खाए नहीं है. सो मेरा तो सब चाट के नाम सुन के आई एम लाइक ओ माय गॉड. मैं इधर अपनी कॉफी पी के प्यास बुझा लेती हूँ. Before I share my thoughts, I want to hear what you all have to say.
फनी से होके वो एंड में जो हुआ आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक फाइंड इट नॉट सो फनी. आई मीन इवन
मतलब it is supposed to be majority of the comments if you see everybody is laughing. ओके. अच्छा भाई सच बोलूं तो आंटी प्यार से भी मार सकती है पर आंटी ने फिर फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकाल.
So I've seen like different version of this also, like where as a couple also, where a wife is asking for water, पानी पिला दो,
हम्म.
and husband बोलता है. तो उसमें
हम्म.
मारते नहीं, but obviously वो गुस्सा हो जाती है.
I think गुस्सा is very justified because this was a very cheeky response. मम्मी बोल रही है
हाँ.
पानी पिला दो एक ग्लास तो वो लाने के बदले he is like trying to beat around the bush and ultimately पानी नहीं लाया. ठीक है खाना वाना मंगा लिया. It is tasty but प्यास तो नहीं बुझी.
I think that's a Indian mentality भी है ना करके कि नहीं सुना मम्मी की तो मार पड़ती है.
वो तो सेकेंडरी आता है. मेरा पहला सवाल ये है कि ये हमारे बड़ों को क्या आदत है कि भाई एक ग्लास पानी पिला बैठे हुए हैं. ठीक है खुद भी सब लोग बैठे हुए हैं आराम से. बट मुझे नहीं उठना तो प्लीज कोई जाके मेरे लिए पानी ले आओ. और इज इट जस्ट मी हु फील्स दिस कि भाई पानी खुद से क्यों नहीं ले सकता कोई. नहीं जस्ट मी. ओके देन मूविंग ऑन.
नो इवन आई फील कि पानी तो एटलीस्ट बेसिक है ना पानी तो खुद से ही लोग ले सकते हैं तो
नहीं वो मतलब अगर घर में एंड दिस इज ऑलवेज आस्क्ड ऑफ द
But
यंगर
only if
जनरेशन.
सब बैठे हुए हो, right? Like if
हाँ
somebody is walking around तो
हाँ
पिला
मतलब
दो.
जा ही रहे हो किचन की तरफ तो जरा ले आओ
हाँ,
पानी.
फिर मेरे
हाँ
लिए भी ले आना. It's not कि हम सब यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, बेटा तुम जाके पानी ले आओ मेरे लिए. That I agree. That's a little much.
Correct. And if you're sitting in a place, usually if you are the kinds, मतलब घरों में एक जग या बॉटल टेबल पे कॉफी टेबल पे एक ग्लास एक होना चाहिए कि बार बार बैठे हो अगर 2-4 घंटे वहीं पे और खुद उठने का मन नहीं है तो पानी का ग्लास रख लो. तो मेरी तो इरिटेशन उधर से ही शुरू हुई. बेटा एक ग्लास पानी पिलाओ. एंड बट द गुड थिंग इज बेटे से भी पूछा जा रहा है सिर्फ बेटी से नहीं. If it
हाँ.
was a daughter and बेटा खेल रहा है usually होता है ना कि that if the guy is sitting then you ask the girl child. But ठीक है at least that way the mom is fair. She's asked her son also getting him to do stuff. But yeah the slap. No not to a young child not to an adult almost. This is an
नो
adult
वन
not a
नो
teenager.
I can't handle such jokes where it ends with violence. And I see
Yeah.
so many of these videos forwarded on WhatsApp groups, and I'm like, please, no.
एंड द
Like,
काइंड ऑफ लाइक्स एंड शेयर्स दे हैव इट्स
it
लाइक
just
क्रेजी.
ruins the. It's not even funny. Like, I can't even. I can't justify it anyhow. Like, no.
बट ये सब माँ का प्यार के नाम से जस्टिफाई हो जाता है. We are all mothers here, right? Do we show our love with violence?
No, never.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये तो वायलेंस काउंट ही नहीं होगा इंडिया में.
Hmm.
2 थप्पड़ ही तो लगा है, इसको वायलेंस थोड़ी बोलते हैं. किसी ने तो लिखा है कि खून भी नहीं आया. तो फिर काहे की मार पड़ी है, खून नहीं आया तो. But I mean, are parents hitting children in a way that children are actually getting injuries? Is that have any of us experienced this random kind of beating?
Never.
I have seen it happen around me.
नहीं, मार पड़ी है, मुझे पड़ी है,
हाँ, मार तो
बट
पड़ी है.
बट ऐसा खून नहीं आया वैसा वाला कुछ नहीं हुआ है.
ये तो वही ऐसा लगता है ना कि बस मौका चाहिए था थप्पड़ लगाने
हाँ,
का, एक रीजन मिल गया. एक नहीं, 2. 2 मारे कि 3, मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया.
2-3, but that is okay. But see,
No, it's
somewhere
not
out with
okay.
it, see, it's not okay means it's scripted also. People know
हाँ,
it's
हाँ, of course,
scripted.
of course. No,
हाँ,
I am not talking about the actual mother-child
हाँ,
relationship, but it looked
हाँ,
like she actually hit him hard the way his
हाँ,
face just moved that way. So it did look like she did slap him and it was not just acting.
मार तो पड़ी है उसको जोर से.
See, irrespective of कि अगर ये scripted हो या ना हो,
Hmm.
showing something and normalizing it in the name of joke is not normal, is what I honestly feel. Because and
I agree.
over the years we have normalized it so much so that कि अगर हम ऐसे अभी ये discussion करें तो
Hmm.
majority of the audience will feel कि यार इस पे discuss करने की क्या बात है, ये तो होता ही रहता है, like हमारे
Hmm.
parents ने किया, हम भी एक दो बार हो जाता है हमारे से.
Or yeah, it's just a joke. Why are you taking it so
Yeah,
seriously? I think that
exactly.
irritates me the most. It's just a joke. Like, why?
Yeah,
It's not a joke. You're normalizing something which is not
Correct.
okay to do.
Correct.
exactly.
And now because social media has such a wide reach, you don't know who's watching it. And if somebody sees other people laughing at something that they go through every day in their own household, they'll see like, अच्छा, everybody is laughing, then that means everybody goes through this. Maybe it's okay. मेरे साथ भी हो रहा है. But we obviously, none of us here, we are not agreeing with this, right?
I mean, दुनिया
Okay.
में बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स है जोक के लिए, not this.
हाँ, exactly. So there are, if you see the stand-up comedy, different comedians doing their comedy, there is so much to do. You can talk about anything. You can take an everyday walk from your house to wherever you go, and you can find things to joke about in there that does not hurt anybody's feelings.
Yeah,
And feelings hurt for the joke are that's still debatable, but this is actually some hurting
This is
somebody
actual
for, yeah.
violence against another human being. How
No,
can
but
you
this
not?
will just be justified saying that he knew this was going to happen and he did it anyway. So in
Well,
his case, he's probably okay with it for the content, for the likes.
okay.
The
I
person
thought
who's
you were
because
saying
he's kept the camera focused on himself. Either it is very well scripted and the mother is an amazing actress, or he knew what was coming because he knows his mother very well and he placed a camera and such a क्योंकि मम्मी तो दिखाई नहीं दे रही इसमें.
I'm sure it's scripted. इसमें कुछ
नहीं,
Hmm.
it's
झूठ नहीं
scripted
है.
only, but
I don't think it's
मतलब
a natural reaction. They decided that मैं ऐसे बोलूँगा, then you say that, and then you give me two chance. मतलब why would you script it and then say you थप्पड़ मारना ऊपर से?
I mean
I
it's
don't know.
crazy. वो स्क्रिप्टिंग में भी थप्पड़ तो जोर का पड़ा, जबरदस्त वाला.
नहीं वो चाहिए था ना, उसी ने बोला होगा जोर से मारो, आवाज आनी चाहिए, बट आवाज आई
हाँ,
थिंक म्यूट हो गई थी. मुझे तो नहीं सुनाई दी. तुम लोगों को सुनाई दी थप्पड़ की
हाँ,
आवाज?
सुनाई दी,
ये हाँ, हाँ, सुनाई दी
हाँ,
ना.
ओके.
सुनाई दी.
ओके, चलो another light hearted one after this. Oh, speaking my language. Oh my. Oh, that's it. Okay, I didn't watch this because Nupur sent this to me, right? So I was like, okay, ठीक है. It started with sitting. I saw till there, and I was like, okay, makes sense. Let's watch this together. Yes, please. As someone who loves drinking their coffee and wants to enjoy, wants to savor it, yeah, this speaks to me like nothing else.
Yeah, and the part where having no one around to bother them, that that hit
Which
home.
is why I wait for everybody to leave on weekdays and then have my coffee because मुझे पता है कि for sure कोई interruption नहीं होगा. What about you guys? What else would you like to add to this list?
Like generally people have Monday blues ना. मुझे Mondays काफी अच्छे लगते हैं because after Saturday and
Some
Sunday of having everybody around,
yes.
Monday मुझे जो 9 बजे जो शांति मिलती है ना, nothing can be compared to that.
सबसे
Right.
फेवरेट डे है मेरा, वो भी नॉन हॉलिडे वाला मंडे ऑब्वियसली. ओके, हॉलिडे वाला मंडे इज इक्वल टू संडे ओनली. But yeah,
Exactly.
absolutely. Mondays are mom's favorite, especially unless you are going to work. Then your
हाँ.
Monday is like everybody else.
Even then, yeah, I feel even when I was working, I used to feel, okay, now switch off from all of this ghar ka stuff
Hmm.
which you need to handle and just go, and it's a different mode that you're switching into. So it's not so
Yeah.
bad.
No, no, I meant if you have to like rush to work. अब हमारे
Hmm.
जैसे है जो अपने वर्क फ्रॉम होम सेटअप है जिनका, दे स्टिल हैव अ लॉट मोर ऑटोनॉमी, दे हैव अ लॉट मोर कंट्रोल ओवर देयर एनवायरनमेंट, राइट? नहीं तो ट्रेन
Hmm.
में धक्के खा के अगर जाना पड़ रहा है या ट्रैफिक में जाना पड़ रहा है, देन दैट इज अगेन द सुकून दैट इज सब चले गए घर पे एंड वी आर अलोन.
Just
दैट
sitting.
सुकून इज डिफरेंट, इज व्हाट आई थिंक व्हाट अर्चिता मेंट. या.
Yes.
व्हाट अबाउट यू शबीना?
So currently तो अभी I'm working तो पता नहीं चलता बट हाँ like whenever I'm coming early like when I have 2 lectures or 3 lectures I'm reaching home early तो मुझे वो आधा एक घंटा जो खुद का मिलता है तो बस आके मैं लेट जाती हूँ
ओह.
या चाय बनाती हूँ बस आई मोर ऑफ चाय पर्सन मैं चाय बना के बस लेते रहो आराम करो एंड
है
कभी
ना?
कभी ऐसा होता है कि बच्चे को भी कोई और पिकअप कर ले आई डोंट फील लाइक गोइंग डाउन ऑल्सो देन
But what else would we like to add to this list then?
सोना
What?
नींद
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
जो हमारी कभी कंप्लीट नहीं होती है
अनइंटरप्टेड स्लीप की कोई नहीं उठा है पूरी रात को, सब सोए हैं पूरी रात को चैन से. I so we मतलब I think with older kids, Nupur, does yours wake up? You and
No,
Archita both? No,
no, not
no.
anymore.
नहीं नहीं.
हाँ. यहाँ पे
Full night sleep.
with an almost 4 year old who wakes up at least once और कुछ नहीं आके cuddle करना है बस तो उसमें नींद एक बार टूटती है just. But yeah, I haven't had uninterrupted
But it'll
sleep in.
come. I'm sure your older one sleeps through the
या
night
या
now.
या दैट उसके तो अभी जोर से उसके आगे बात कर लो, लाइट जला लो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा उसको.
एक तो uninterrupted sleep होता है, but I also feel like there is less sleep in general because you want to wrap up everything and then use that night time for yourself. And in
Yes.
my case, I like getting up early so that I can have my first cup of coffee. I want uninterrupted. Nobody should wake up before me.
Hmm.
So I have to be the first one awake in the house. So that also means I'm getting less overall sleep, right? Even if
So
it's
what time
uninterrupted.
do you wake up usually if you want to wake up before
5:30.
and you are able to do that every day consistently?
I get up, I make my coffee, and I sit and I have my coffee.
And what time do you go to bed?
10.
Oh, okay. So you're still getting 7 hours. Yeah. Okay. ठीक है.
No, but that I know the bliss of those early morning hours, the quietest time of the whole day, like
Yeah.
pure
Hmm.
bliss. कोई
You've
Hmm.
been
disturbance
doing
नहीं
very
है.
early mornings, right, Archita?
Yeah.
You're still
You're
continuing
still
that?
doing
Yes, अभी बीच में थोड़ा ब्रेक हो गया था, but I'm getting
Hmm.
back to track slowly. So absolutely uninterrupted time जो मिलता है ना, even if it is for half an hour ना, that just gives the fuel for the whole day. So I
Hmm.
need that.
I feel like this thing of sitting and having a cup of coffee, as a non-parent, you can say, haha, okay, big deal. But once you're actually in it, this was one of the biggest thing that struck me that, oh my God, it's actually true. Like
Hmm.
with a small kid, the getting the chance to sit quietly by yourself uninterrupted is a real
Yeah.
joy. You really start to appreciate the simple things.
Another thing that I observed आजकल में कि practicing the art of nothingness. बस मुझे कुछ भी नहीं करना है, बस मतलब कुछ read नहीं करना है, कॉफी भी
हाँ
नहीं पीनी है, बस बैठ के I'm okay with staring at the walls also. But एक 10-15 मिनट के लिए कुछ भी नहीं करना है, बस I just want to sit in
उससे
silence बस.
उससे ज्यादा फिर बहुत ज्यादा बोरिंग हो जाएगा.
नहीं
But
बस
are
दस
you are
पंद्रह
you
मिनट
able
के
to
लिए ना.
are you able to control your thoughts during that time? Like what happens? Are
No.
your thoughts are allowed to
No.
run wild?
Yeah, I think
Okay.
I allow my thoughts to just flow. तो उसमें
Okay.
थोड़ा पर्सपेक्टिव भी मिल जाता है about some things, and sometimes it
Correct.
gets confusing also, but that's okay. But
Hmm.
Shanti में I'm sitting for and doing nothing, absolutely nothing. So that is also giving me some happiness. So everybody should try this once. Art of nothing.
आई डू दिस कि कुछ नहीं
Hmm.
करना मतलब सुबह उठ के
Hmm.
बेसिकली माय कुक कम्स अराउंड 7:30 7:45 से सब सोते रहते थे, मैं ही उठती हूँ। सो आई हैव दैट 15-20 मिनट्स बोलते हैं ना खुद के लिए मिलता है। सो आई डोंट डू एनीथिंग, जस्ट सिट, विंडो के बाहर देखो, आराम से बैठो।
Yeah, I think uninterrupted anything as a parent, getting to start something and then finish it when you are ready to be done with it. I think that itself is like a with small children. I don't think that issue we have with when children are older, unless they come
Yeah.
with their questions.
Just smaller children.
Oh,
Yes, smaller children के साथ ज्यादा ज्यादा हो जाता है ना.
स्मॉलर मीन्स लाइक हाउ ओल्ड?
How
मेरा
old
तो 6
मतलब?
साल का हो गया स्टिल, मतलब
Around
तुम
6 or 7. After
Yeah,
that, he became more independent and he
yeah.
doesn't need me for like every 5 minutes, mama, 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 वो बंद हो गया. So, but उससे पहले it was like, okay, even if I want to sit and read a book, I have to do it in the same room because he
Hmm.
will need me every 3 minutes. So I need to
Hmm.
look up and respond. Now we can be sitting independently in our own rooms. 1 घंटा, 2 घंटा, no interruption. So.
माय सन इज 6 बट लाइक ही इंटरप्ट मी अ लॉट। मतलब मैं लेट भी नहीं सकती हूँ। अगर मैं लेट गई तो he'll come, मम्मा गेट अप, मेरे ऊपर आके बैठ जाएगा ऐसे। सो आई
हाँ,
डोंट नो, लाइक कभी बड़े होंगे आई फील कि थोड़ा मुझे स्पेस चाहिए कभी-कभी।
with my older one, what I've done is before I want to do something, and if she's the only one in the house with me alone, I tell her, you find something to do first and something that she enjoys. So at least मुझे 20-25 minutes मिल जाता है before she gets bored of it and then she comes to. So she's also doing this diamond painting, or if you give her something art related, वो she'll sit with it for at least half an hour. और बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा है तो कभी-कभी 1 घंटा भी मिल जाता है इसलिए अरे वाह! बैठी है अपने आप कर रही है करके. But yeah, that's now in the last 1 year or so, and she's
हाँ,
8. So yeah, 7, 6, 7, I think
राइट।
is the time when we can
आई
enjoy.
थिंक आई हैव 1 मोर ईयर।
but I think it's a never-ending cycle, you know, because जब वो छोटे थे तो questions were when the question part, when you speak of the question part, the questions were
Hmm.
how this thing happens, ये कैसे होता है. अब
Hmm.
after 10 years, it is like why. There are more whys, कि why this thing
Hmm.
is happening, and the questions are little deeper also. So then, you
Hmm.
know, it gets some confusing sometimes कि कैसे explain करें, you know. How do we
Hmm.
make sure that we are explaining and not crossing the, you know, line or something like that?
Correct.
So the question answer part is little tricky.
That's a good phase, right? I would much rather have conversations with my children rather than like just do this every day का कपड़े बदलो, ready कराओ, नहलाओ, brush कराओ. Like that phase, I am bored now. बस हो गया, please. Just please start doing all that on your own. Come, let me get to know you as a person. Let's talk to each other. Like that phase, I think I am looking forward to the most.
I'm in that phase, Abhi.
It takes longer than I thought it would take. Like when my kid was born, I didn't realize that it would be so many years
Hmm.
of yeah, boring saman before the interesting stuff starts.
No, I think that is also one of the reasons LOM was created, right? In the beginning also, because everybody's like, अरे सिर्फ मेरे साथ होता है क्या? Because when we
Mm.
see motherhood on तभी तो चलो initially when we started there wasn't so much talk about motherhood on social media. It is now. But that time movies and everything glorified अरे बच्चा आने से जिंदगी अरे नहीं होती मतलब होती है there is like one aspect but that's a very small portion of it and you only feel that when your child is asleep like you feel all that love but otherwise you're in the grind especially when the baby is small you have to feed the baby every 2 hours newborns poop around the clock. Like I've lost count of how many diapers I must have changed in a day in those initial few months. उस टाइम पे जब नींद का ठिकाना नहीं बॉडी दर्द कर रही है if you're breastfeeding you're leaking or you're engorged or you
Yeah,
have cracks in your nipples all of those stages nobody talks about it as much and like you said just now it goes on for years. It's not like
yeah.
a few months of rough stages and har bar with every stage there is a new rough phase, right? We don't know what's coming most of the
They grow a
time.
little older, they start falling sick.
Mm,
Then they will have eating problems. School में जाना है, ये करना है. मतलब it's a never ending continuous one stage after the other of and they're so dependent on you. That's why it kind
correct.
of breaks my heart also, right? Like you are there, they can't survive without an adult, and you are that
Yeah.
adult and that everything for them. So
Mm.
is just very it's a lot.
Yeah. So, yeah, here's hoping that our stories now also reach moms who are in the throes of newborn parenthood, and it doesn't give them any, like, gives them a good reality check also. That, I mean, there are good parts, but those good parts are wrapped around difficult parts. Like, you have to peel the layers to find the andar ka acha jo phal hai, whatever it is. You'll get that, but yeah, it doesn't come that easily. And that's a wrap on today's episode of Real Moms Talk. We actually reacted to one more reel in this recording, but we're saving that for another episode. So stay tuned because this conversation is not over. In the meantime, don't forget to follow or subscribe on your favorite platform so you don't miss new episodes. Also, follow us on our socials at Real Moms Talk Pod for some fun additional content and that whole community vibe. Until then, take care. We'll see you next week. Bye.